In this problem, they tell us that in a recent election for mayor, there were 3 candidates, Riemann, Euler, and Gauss. The ratio of Gauss voters to Riemann voters is the same as the ratio of Riemann voters to Euler voters. So the way we can set this up is we can say G over R equals R over E. Now they tell us that there are 800 Gauss voters and 200 Euler voters. So that means we can replace G with 800. And we can replace E with 200. So now our proportion looks like this. Now we only have one variable. So when working with a proportion, we can cross multiply. And so this times this equals this times this. So R times R is R squared. 800 times 200, well, let's just ignore the zeros. 8 times 2 is 16. We have 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here, so we have 4 zeros. So that's 160,000. So now we have to take the square root of that to get R by itself. And so R equals 400. Now be careful, because 400 is not the answer, because it asks what is the total number of voters. So we have to take 400, but then onto that we have to add the 800 who voted for Gauss and the 200 who voted for Euler. So in all, there were 1,400 voters total. There's our answer, and we're done.